Continuing the annual commemoration of the images of the Blessed Virgin Mary all over the country, the 42nd Grand Marian Procession commences today, December 3, along the historic roads of the walled city, Intramuros, Manila. The Blessed Virgin Mary has been a pillar of strength and faith to many Filipinos. From the start, her role as a refuge to the needy, an advocate for sinners, and a protector of people from dangers has transcended even today. Hence, this celebration is to honor her part in every devotee's life, as seen on her images paraded along Plaza Roma. As the precursor of the event, the 1954 Solemn Marian Procession was held on the first Sunday of December that year as a closing ceremony of the Second National Marian Congress of the Philippines. With this tradition's revival after World War II, a handful images of the Blessed Virgin Mary nationwide can be seen at the present.
Since 1993, nang itatag ang Cofradia de Nuestra Señora de Aranzazu sa San Mateo, Rizal. Mas maraming magsasayaw ngayon at marami rin mga deboto galing sa iba't ibang lugar, kahit sa Laguna, sa Batangas, sa Cavite, sa parting Bulacan, upang maipakilala ang Birhen ng Aranzazu hindi lamang sa aming bayan kundi sa buong kapuluan ng Pilipinas. Katuwang din namin ang Colegio de San Juan de Letran kung saan ay doon nakatatag ang Archon Fraternity of Our Lady of Aranzazu.
Simple lang po kasi love ko po yung pagsiserve and doon po sa journey po na yon, madami pong tinulong yon. Tinulungan po niya ako mag-grow as a better person kung sino po ako ngayon. Actually, yung pagsiserve ko po sa simbahan is lalo po nag-grow yung confidence ko. And ayun, I'm very thankful po na dinala ko ni Lord kay Our Lady of Aranzazu.
Balitaan ko kasi ngayon parang pinag-aaralan nilang oras para doon kasi next time daw may mga isasali daw silang mga another koronadang birhen, yung mga hindi ko sure kung episcopal ba yung tawag nila doon. Kaya ngayon feeling ko for next IGMP na naman niya mas better na naman yung mangyayari niya. Lola ko pa lang nagturo sa akin na okay, kahit anong mangyari, kung may opportunity na makapaglingkod, maglilingkod.
Devotees from all over the country showed their support for their respective region's image of the Blessed Virgin Mary. For them, the images of the Blessed Virgin have inspired them to show their appreciation and an evidence of a promise to continue their devotion to the Mother of God. From tragedies, joyous moments, and personal worries, the guidance of the Blessed Virgin has always been adjacent to their faith to show her their unending love.
Yeah, I have to fly now from Cebu to be here. Number one is really to experience how to be part of such a grand event wherein all the Marian venerated images all over the Philippines is here. Those who have same faith as you have, are here venerating the Blessed Virgin Mary, especially for the upcoming fiesta niya sa Immaculada Concepcion. Feel that it's really yung spirit ng mga people here parang ni-complement din sa akin, because of this activity.
Bali talaga mataas yung expectation ko sa IGMP since sa title pa lang Grand Marian Procession. So expected ko na madami ako makikitang Marian images, at the same time mga devotees na kung saan galing sila sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pinas. Kaya personal view ko naman, yung devotion ko kay Our Lady of Peña Francia ng Bicol, mas lalong mag-grow deeper. Since then, kaya nung bata pa ako, very na ako, spiritual. Medyo nasa early adulthood na, parang ibang perspective naman. At the same time, mas lalong magtalubo, nakaibanan si Ina, nakasama si Ina. Yeah. So, ako, absolutely. Since ngayon nga, na first time pa lang, grabe na yung nagbungad sa akin. What more na baka next year mas madami pang Marian images ang mag-aano.
I think there is a very significance or the importance, especially for us Filipinos, celebrating the IGMP as part of the celebration of the Solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. Dito ay pinapakita natin ang ating masidhing debosyon sa mahal na Birhen bilang mga Pilipino, bilang Pueblo Amante de Maria. This kind of event is very important also for the youth. it mirrors the virtues of the Virgin Mary. Ipinapakita nito sa atin na kung ano ang mga katangian ng mahal na birhen na dapat nating tularan, lalo't higit sa mga kabataan. Ang kababaang loob ng mahal na birhen, ang kasunuran niya, kasunuran sa Panginoon, at ang kaniyang pagiging malinis, ang kalinisan ng puso ay dapat nating tularan gaya ng ginawa ng mahal na birhen.
With the sea of white handkerchiefs scattered around the images, the devotees who attended in the 42nd years of the Intramuros Grand Marian Procession have truly mirrored their love and steadfast faithfulness to the Blessed Virgin Mary.
The mass devotion of each and everyone present here today on one of the largest procession of the Philippines is felt. As the IGMP comes to an end, the fulfillment of each devotee on honoring the Blessed Virgin Mary is seen on their faces. This has been Dayan Angeli Martinez, your Land's Religious Affairs correspondent, reminding you to continue the faith. Viva la Virgen!